Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Hello English. Today's conversation practice is between two friends about weather. So let's start. What is your favorite weather? I enjoy rainy weather. Why do you like this kind of weather? When it rains, I love raindrops falling on the ground. I feel excited hearing the sound of raindrops, especially when earth comes out clean and fresh. What is your favorite weather? I prefer sunny weather. Why do you like this kind of weather? When it's sunny, I feel energetic and active. I enjoy the sunshine. I can go for a walk or bathing. Have you ever experienced extreme weather such as tornado, hurricane, or blizzard? Luckily, I didn't. Have you ever experienced such weather? Oh yes, a few years back, our city faced a heavy windstorm. It was scary to watch the big tall trees falling on buildings and streets. Thank God, there was no loss of lives. Oh, I see. Do you believe in climate change? Yes, and I think we need to think about climate change. It can affect our safety, health, housing, ability to grow food and water. It's the single biggest health threat facing humanity. What do you think about it? I agree with you. How do you prepare for severe weather events? We learn to transform home utilities into emergency tools. We mark the safety areas for shelter and secure the food, water, and other necessary items. Very smart indeed. How does the weather affect your mood? I feel active and happier in warmer weather. Cold weather makes me more stressed and prone to anxiety. What about you? I also feel less sluggish in warm weather. It suits me well. So, what's the ideal temperature for you? For me, 37 Celsius or 96.6 Fahrenheit is my ideal temperature. And for you? 22 Celsius is ideal temperature for me. Do you like to watch weather forecasts? Yes, I do. I often watch weather forecasts with my father. Now it's time for you to do some practice. What is your favorite weather? Why do you like this kind of weather? I prefer sunny weather. When it's sunny, I feel energetic and active. I enjoy the sunshine. I can go for a walk or bathing. Luckily, I didn't. Have you ever experienced such weather? Oh, I see. Do you believe in climate change? I agree with you. How do you prepare for severe weather events? Very smart indeed. How does the weather affect your mood?